Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I share inexpensive home decor solutions and DIY tutorials for your home every week. If you've been following along, you know we just purchased a beautiful little fixer-upper on 2.5 acres of land, and we just started updating our very first room. Now, I am not done decorating my sunroom just yet. However, I cannot wait any longer to get my Christmas tree up because after all, it is my favorite time of year. So this is going to be a decorate with me video, and I am going to bring you along as I decorate my Christmas tree. Now, I'm particularly excited this year because Twinkly Smart Decoration reached out to me to try their new Twinkly Christmas tree. This is a pre-lit LED smart Christmas tree, and I cannot wait to share what this tree does with you guys. And the best part about this tree is that you can find it in your local Walmart. How cool is that? I can set this tree up to a nice simple white light whenever I want to cuddle up with the Latino engineer and maybe watch some Christmas movies, or I can give my kids a full-blown light show when they want to go crazy dancing around the house with Christmas music. And that is something that we do. Now, I shared the plans for this sunroom for Christmas, and it's going to have lots of little pops of red, and it's going to be very farmhousey because after all, we live on 2.5 acres. So I am going to bring you along while I decorate my Christmas tree, and I will talk a little bit more about this Christmas tree as we go along. Okay, so I got my Christmas tree out of the packaging, and right away I'm happy with what I see because the parts are numbered, and sometimes I don't know which part goes in the little stand first, so that was very helpful. The bottom piece is labeled 1, the middle is labeled 2, and then the third one doesn't have a label, but then again, you already know that that's the last one. Now, I plan on using my seagrass tree color that I bought a couple of years ago. If you have been looking for one, I'll try to find a similar inexpensive version and link it below. Now, this tree color doesn't have an opening in the back, so I actually have to put the base of the tree in first before I actually assemble it. Now, here's a close-up of the little light bulbs. I must say I was impressed because these are actually the really tiny ones. I like the fact that it came with a foot pedal, so you can just use your foot to turn the tree on and off. It also has this control with preset light configurations. Now, this is a very thick tree. However, despite the fullness, it was actually really easy to put together. And of course, my little ones like to be around whenever I put together my Christmas tree. And here is the tree put together. It is a great size, and as you can see, it's rather thick, but not too wide. Also, I wanted to show you guys the quality of this tree. These little pine needles right here looked almost real. I mean, they're pretty amazing. And then the more traditional kind of pine needles are in the inside to give it a more fuller look, but this tree is so high quality. I was very pleased with that. And this tree barely needed to be fluffed, which is great for me because that is probably my least favorite thing to do, besides taking it down. And of course, the first thing I did was turn it on to see how the lights worked. I first started with my ribbon. I found this beautiful buffalo check ribbon on sale at Michael's. Now, I will have a couple of links down in my description box where you guys can get more information on Twinkly, as well as how to purchase the Twinkly tree. And then I found this cute berry garland at Dollar Tree, and I wish I would have gotten more. I bought a couple of them. I added a few inexpensive rustic picks throughout. And for the ornaments, most of them were actually DIY ornaments I had done previously. I'll make sure to include links to the videos below. I even caught a little helper adding her own little touch to the Christmas tree. My oldest wanted to create her own little custom garland for the Christmas tree this year. And with a few more touches here and there, it was finally nighttime and we can enjoy the lights. Now what is so cool about this tree is that you can download the Twinkly app and you can actually change the lights on your tree directly from your phone. Now it already comes with several pre-programmed light shows. And let's say you like the light show but prefer it in a different color, you can just go into that programmed setting and edit it the way you wish. There are so many beautiful possibilities with this tree. But of course, the best part about this is seeing my kids' little faces light up when they see the different light shows. I hope you enjoyed how I decorated my Christmas tree this year. I love the white, the red, and the buffalo check accents. And I'm enjoying my Christmas lights, and so are the kids. If you haven't decided on a Christmas tree yet, I suggest you stop by your nearest Walmart and give this tree a try. I am sure you will love it as much as we do. Stay tuned for how I finish decorating this entire space for Christmas. I'd like to thank Twinkly for partnering with me on this video. We absolutely love our Christmas tree and we plan on using it for many years to come. Now, don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe so that you can see the rest of my Christmas decorations, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios!